Go.
Huh?
Hi guys. Okay, everybody, let's take a question. Okay, me first. Mommy, what is your favorite?
My or yours?
Mine.
Oh.
What is my favorite movie?
Albert, the Christmas tree.
That I always watch. What? That I always watch.
You go there.
That I always watch.
Albert.
Yes.
Am I correct?
No,
Yes.
you did not watch Albert na because the Christmas is ended.
Yeah.
It's Casey and Rachel.
Yes.
No, that's not a movie.
A movie, Wicked, Moana.
Yes, that's my favorite.
Okay.
But always watch.
I don't know.
Okay,
Oh, what now?
next.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. What is my favorite restaurant? Oh.
Wait, stand up. Stand up, Daddy. Okay, you cannot see the photo.
That's okay, I'm here. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, what's my favorite restaurant?
Your favorite restaurant?
We're the same. Diba?
KFC.
No, the other one.
Oh, am I scared?
What?
I'm not scared of
Ah,
something.
you don't know me. My favorite is Yabu.
Yabu, yabu, yabu.
Ayun na.
Okay, it's your turn, Dad.
What is my favorite cartoon character?
Cartoon character? Albert.
No, you're wrong.
Moana.
No, I already told you that before. They're fighting with the ghosts when I was a kid.
Ghostbuster.
Ghostbuster and the Turtles.
Ninja Turtle.
Oh, your turn na.
Okay, my turn. What is my favorite
What?
anime?
Anime? Anya!
No.
Sailor Moon.
Yeah.
Ah, Sailor Moon.
Yes,
Sailor
also
Moon.
Anya. Okay, it's mommy's turn. Stop! Stop, Dad! No!
My turn.
Your turn.
What is my favorite? What's my favorite TV show?
TV show? TV show. Your favorite TV show
Yeah.
that you always watch?
Yeah.
Friends.
Yes. Correct.
Okay. Daddy's turn. Don't you say
Okay. What is my favorite clothes?
clothes? Your favorite clothes is t-shirt, also short, and also hat.
What?
You're also t-shirt, also short, also hat,
Okay.
also shoes.
Okay. Oh, your turn na.
Okay, my turn. What is my favorite restaurant?
Restaurant. KFC.
Yes! KFC and Yabu!
My turn. What
Your
is my favorite ice cream flavor? Oh.
Cookies and cream.
Oh, galing Kaylee ah. You're good.
Also coffee ice cream.
Yeah.
Ting, ting, ting,
Oh,
ting,
done na.
ting,
Ako
ting.
din.
Okay, bye guys. We're done of questions. Bye guys. Goodbye, Daddy. Goodbye, Mommy. Everyone, goodbye me.